All right. So this is your ads account, and your ads account has been restricted because of a payment issue that you're not able to pay, right? So all we need to do is to click on all tools and navigate to what we call business settings. So within the business settings, we are going to be able to create a new ads account for you that is going to be in Naira, right? So this ads account is going to enable you make payments in Naira, either with transfer or through PayU. So I think that PayU has been phased out, because the last time I tried to um fund my account with PayU, it wasn't really working. So I ended up doing transfer from an app. But whether you're going to be using the transfer option, the USSD, or that other debit option, you're still going to be able to make payments in Naira. So one mistake you shouldn't make is to add a payment method. You know how you would click on that first option and then they will tell you to add your card information. Please don't do that, because that is where that's usually the beginning of the problem, right? So this is the business settings, or the business portfolio as it is now called. So what we need to do is to click on ads account. So if you click on ads account, you're going to be seeing that you don't have any ads account. Now, the reason is because that's your ad account that is having payment issues. Is actually your default ads account that is connected to your Facebook account. But you can still create other ads accounts, and that is what we're going to be doing here from the business settings. So all I need to do is to come to add, click on add, and we're going to be creating a new ads account. So create a new ads account. I'm going to name it something random. I'm just going to say my Naira ads account. My Naira ads account. Time zone is GMT plus one, right? That's the Lagos, the Africa/Lagos GMT plus one. Then currency is in Naira. So let's look for the Naira currency. Where are thou? Naira. All right. So NGN, Nigerian Naira. I'm going to click on next. So it's going to say, who will this ads account be used for? It's going to be used for my business. Click on next. And then, so we are moving this my Naira ads account into this business portfolio called Mercy Okunima. Sorry for murdering your name. Then I'll click on I agree to Meta terms of services, and I'll go on to create the ads account. All right, so now we've created our ads account, and it's saying, would you like to add payment info for your account? Now, I'll click on add payment info, and it's going to be showing me several options. All right. Okay, so first of all, we'd need to set the location and currency and all. So it is already set the way it is. So I'm going to click on next. And then it's going to ask you by default to add debit or credit card. If you click on this, you're going to be taken to a place where they will ask you to enter your card details. That's like your, okay, let me just click on it. Let me see. I'll click on next, right? And that is for the debit. Or now, once it asks you to enter this information and you save it, you're going to be having issues with making payments with Naira, because even though because once you do that, what you're actually creating is a postpaid account. Facebook is now going to be charging you for ads from that account. Like anytime you run ads, they won't charge you. They might not charge you. It is after your ad has run for a while, they will now go and debit that card. That's your credit, or that's your debit card. They will now want to debit it. But there are some times that they will not now be able to debit the account, and that is when you now start having payment issues, just like the one you were having before. So it is better you don't select that first option. Go straight to selecting either pay with USSD, pay with transfer, or the other option. You might actually still be able to pay with PayU, or you might see something like e-banks, right? So things are changing rapidly every day with this platform. So you just have to change with it as well. So now that we've created this ads account, the next thing I'm going to do is to assign you full control. So I think you're already assigned full control, but I'm just going to click on assign. So I'm going to assign you full control, as well as your IG. Okay, so we can't do IG. So I'm just going to click full control and assign people. So from here, you can also assign other people to manage your account, right? So say for instance that you want me to run ads for you, for instance, you can actually make me you can give me full control such that I can actually log into your ads account to run ads for you. Then you can assign a partner as well. These are, levels of controls you can give people. In case you want to connect your Instagram account, all you need to do is to first of all click on Instagram account, connect your Instagram account, and then okay, so there is an Instagram account here, Messi 320. So that, let's say for instance, I want to connect this ads account you've just created. Let's say I want to connect this Instagram account to it. All I need to do is to just come to Instagram account. So there is already an Instagram account here, but let's say the Instagram account is not existing. All you need to do is to add the Instagram account and then click on connect assets. So when you click on connect assets, click on other business assets, and then we're now going to connect it to this my Naira ads account, so that when you want to run ads on Instagram, they will now ask you to select between maybe the account that you're having issues with and this particular one you've just created, right? Talking about ads account, okay? All right. Then for pages, it's easy. You don't need to connect your page to the ads account, right? So long as you have given yourself full access, you should be able to run ads from this ads account. So all you need to do is when you want to run ads from Facebook, you just go to the Facebook account and then you're going to be selecting the ads account you want to use, right? So let me show you a quick instance. So I'm going to log into your Facebook account right now, and I'm going to try to boost a post. So you're going to see the way I'm going to be switching from the ads account. That's the ads account you were having issues with. I'm going to be switching between it and the one I've just created. All right. So I'm logging into your Facebook account now, and I'm going to try to boost a post. Okay. All right. So here we are on your ads account. I'm going to come to any post, a random post. I'm just going to, okay, let me just switch into the page first. All right, so let's say you want to advertise your entire page. So I'm going to click on advertise. Let me wait for it to finish loading. So I'm going to click on advertise. All right, and then it's going to say create ads. So let me just select a random, I'll click on boost. Oh, sorry, not Instagram post. So let me say I want to boost this post. I'll click on it. Now, what we're going to now do is to select between ads accounts. So if I click on this drop down, you see that you have my Naira ads account here. So that's your ads account, okay? That's the new ads account I've just created for you. So click on it and then it will now switch the creation into that new ads account. All right, I hope this is clear. Now, if you're going to be using your mobile phone, it's going to also be the same process. So you might either see the ads account here or you might see it down. So just ensure that before you continue your ad, you switch the ads account. All right. So once you switch it, you won't have that payment issues anymore. You can now go on to set up your ad without stress. All right. So if you before you start running your ad, you can now go on to maybe fund it. So you can use, if you have the Meta Ads Manager app, you can fund it, right? You can fund that ads account before you start running your ad, so that you won't have an issue of maybe you get to where you're boosting your post, and then after entering the amount you want to pay, Facebook will now say that the money is not enough, right? So you can try to fund your ads accounts from the Meta Ads Manager app. So it's actually an app you can download from App Store. So download it, install it, and try to fund. You can even try to run your ads from there as well. So I even recently created a video on how to run ads from that app. So I'm going to maybe share it with you so that you can also get to see it as well. So essentially, your payment issue has been resolved now with this new ads account I've just created for you. So let me know if you have any more questions, and I'll be open to helping you and giving you more details on how to go about, of course, running your ad successfully, just like I've promised. Yeah.